Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Visual Basic 2005 Express Edition. Today we will be making a game. It is a very simple game, but it can be hours of fun depending on what sort of person you are. I will just quickly show you what the finished product shall look like. It is a basic guessing game. I will quickly show you a demonstration and then we will get on with the actual tutorial itself. I just won. That usually never happens. Woohoo! I'll just reset that. 8. But I won't win this time. See, try again. Reset, and so on. Alright, time for the actual tutorial itself. I've already gone ahead and made this program, as you can already know and see. So you will open up Visual Basic 2005 Express Edition, go New Project, Guessing Game, or whatever you want to call it. Now when you come up with this, you'll want to call it the Guessing Game or whatever you like. You will need a label, a text box, a button, another button, and a second text box. Once you make your guess, just make the label say your guess, colon, but keep the name as label 1. You don't need to do anything to the text box, just make sure there's no text in it. And as for the two buttons here, just make one say reset and one say draw. Once you've done that, we'll go on to the actual code. You'll want to type if textbox1 dot text equals parentheses quotation mark, then message box parentheses quotation marks, please enter a number or whatever, quotation marks and parentheses, else dim r as new random, dim value as integer, value equals r dot n next, parentheses 0, 10 parentheses end. Now, this is, as you can see, this is basically all the code for pretty much all the code. So you'll just have to try and pause this video if it helps. As you can see, you may have to just go ahead. Textbox2.text equals value dot toString if, I should probably mention that this is the code for this is actually the code for the draw button. So yeah, just bear in mind, sorry about that, but this is actually the code for the draw button. Anyway, textbox2.text equals value.toString if textbox2.text equals textbox1.text, then message box parentheses you win parentheses end, else message box parentheses try again parentheses, and if textbox1.enabled equals false, so that no one can try and change their guess. This is for button 1, the draw button, reset button. Textbox2.text equals nothing. Textbox1.text equals nothing. Textbox1.enabled equals true. Once you have entered in all this code and you press run or F5, your finished result should end up like this. See? Message box, try again. Now, this is where the message box 1.enabled equals false, so that no one can change their guess. But this is what happens when you don't put in a number. See? If you've entered all the code in correctly, everything should be done like I just did. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Microsoft Visual Basic 2005 Express Edition. Stay tuned for more videos.